This was our very first version of our packaging. It opens up and has lots of instructions on how to wrap your furoshiki. As we were developing the project and selling more furoshiki, we realized that there was actually quite a bit of room in this version of the packaging and we could scale it down. So on our next reorder, we made an even smaller package, and this time we made it square, which kind of echoed the squareness of the furoshiki. So we thought it was very cute. Now that we're scaling, now that we're in nearly 15 different gift shops, we're really trying to make it efficient to ship our furoshiki around the United States and to give options for gift shops on how they can display their furoshiki in their various setups. So I'm proud to introduce our third version of our packaging. This is how we package our furoshiki now, and if you order furoshiki from our website in the middle of October and onwards, this is what you're gonna be getting. Compared to our first version, now we're using 50% less packaging, which we're proud to say as a company who's trying to avoid creating extra waste. All our packaging is made from recycled cardboard. We still have just as much information on the packaging, and if you unwrap your furoshiki, you'll have a piece of cardboard here that will have 8 different styles that you can follow to get you started or get the person who's receiving this as a gift started on wrapping their furoshiki. So thank you for coming along on this journey. We hope that you will enjoy this new packaging and that you will have a chance to hold it yourself this holiday season.